India's first forest carbon offset project is unfolding right now in the forests of the Khasi Hills in the state of Meghalaya, northeastern India. Protecting and restoring these upland forests will slow water runoff and soil erosion downstream while absorbing and storing carbon from the Earth's atmosphere. Tradition, rituals, and respect for nature are intrinsic to the Khasi. The ancient sacred groves scattered throughout this land of the clouds are an enduring testimony to their traditions of forest conservation. In the recent decades, threats to their land have begun to take their toll. Private companies have taken over their land for quarrying, logging, and charcoal manufacturing. Between 2001 and 2006, the annual deforestation rate averaged an alarming 5.8%. At this rate, the remaining forests would disappear entirely by 2040, threatening not only the traditional way of life of these mountain communities, but also 400 species of rare plants and endangered animals. Ba Tambor Lingdo of Mawphlang village, a former youth club leader, has been working with the indigenous government, or HIMA, to organize community members to protect their sacred forests. The Khasi developed new conservation methods and strategies to restore their forests, developing usage rules and regulations, restoring stream beds, shifting to more fuel-efficient stoves for heating and cooking, and substituting stall-fed livestock for forest grazing animals.
This is a patches of forest where we have been starting the conservation through people participation. The first step we took by the people of Mawphlang through the initiative of CFI, we now go ahead for the 27,000 hectare of land where we do the conservation of the critical Umyam Mawphlang, which is supplying water to Shillong City. Being successful with the 2 villages in Mawphlang, now we are going for 62 villages. Through Mawphlang initiative, we have gone for about 82 meetings, going to all the villages so that people also want to be like Mawphlang people.
In 2010, the Khasi formed their own Sinjuk, or federation, of 10 kingdoms in the newly designated Khasi Hills Community Red Project, bringing 500 years of experience of conserving forests. The Sinjuk blends their traditional practices with scientific natural resource management methods, including forest plot monitoring, satellite image analysis, and partnerships with international organizations.
We are the first in the Northeast and the first in India who have the community participation for red. The international market can buy our carbon because we are going back our own forest into a better forest. But kini kita kimat belale da satellite imagery hakaba kidon kijing kedau ya kishnong kitau kidon kijing kedau ya kini ki cluster level
ka hima nong clouds in ship
ay thap ban pande pensa ya kamariang lembaga Red Plus project kalalong kajing ya lam lenti naga benta ka nega project ya ka Northeast India hibrok ko wenga sngo bangin pelong kajing thap ti
Bách bại nó chỉ nó cắt bằng lệ trong cái tăng số thuốc bẩn bẩn nệ ya mai mariang.
The project has developed a network of community forestry extension workers and local working committees in 62 villages to design an economic development plan that relies on a network of 32 women-run microfinance groups.
Red kamot itu ki cloud bel arben lupa ANR part kadai kane ka ba thung ding thung sit biang ni jaka basalan menta hadin belai kendu umde filasu thu bahas pang ne red project
ta kwa ban kali ka tak bisa kan nak lapoi lah siat kan poi hang no poi sardan nen poi
Becapi. Bisa hadian mengiyo nam tang karbon money. Kalong bakan poi ha ka senjuk. Bat kan poi ha ka LWC.
kawan mas penat sibun eban ya sebentar dekat hong diang. Nam bentar dekat project.
We have to at least conserve the forest for the younger generation to come. In 10 years' time, in 20 years' time, in 30 years' time, this place should not only be green, but should be covered with thick forest. So many species have been coming back, and even the birds, the flora and the fauna have been coming back. And when they are coming back, we feel happy. And this dream is about to be fulfilled because it needs only just few more people to support the community as a whole so that we can go ahead to have our better forest.
ASEAN chitiyo te akajing pe ke jungi kum ke yu volunteer nilap ba kini kidieng ki sa mo ki sa kumne na mar ba nilap boy kene ki batai ro kin fungsionong ba kin ye pom pathar kini kidieng la kamhe te ki mrat cloud ma kelas dang kamdon ta kelas dang kambon
ya perseba dom sunya ya perseba dom sunya oh syad din syai daki irang rupa
kidieng kiba ngi bu dak saw kalong ba ngintip ya kini ka baseline ini ke baseline ban tip ya ka karbon ba nginteu hakani kla.
Great oaks from little acorns grow. And here in the Khasi Red project area, these new community initiatives are growing too. Carbon sales from its project, certified by Plan Vivo in 2013, are providing much needed resources. Project Director Tambor Lingdo's dream is coming true. In the beginning, he walked from village to village, organizing numerous meetings to educate, inspire, and motivate the community members. Today, he has helped create an impressive federation of Khasi communities working together to sell carbon in global markets, assisted by an international NGO, Community Forestry International. Today, Tambor takes an unusual detour in his daily hectic schedule managing the project to extend awareness about forests and the local environment to Generation Next, Mauflong's JNB School.
I, as a student of JNB Mauflong, take a pledge to plant a tree, to make the environment green and clean. I also pledge that I will take care of it till it grows into a big tree.
In 2012-2013, the Sinjuk was able to sell their carbon credits for the first time. Funds were used for administration, monitoring of village activities for the 62 villages under the Federation or Sinjuk, socio-economic livelihood activities through women-run self-help groups or SHGs, farmers' clubs and local working committees who administer the project in the field.
The main aims of our organization or Senjok is we have to have accountability, transparency and equity. Like now we are giving 15,000 rupees for each villages. There are other resources also or capital investment or benefits that we give to them where we give through the SHGs and the LWCs and also Farmers Club.
Kesenjuk laai sibur kijing rap yangi ki member kumno bangin yo kata kinlayo ke training nak mentaki bookkeeping. Hadian mo yung bookkeeping saya as kamay crew enterprise. Abang yung crew enterprise ka ay jing hikay dongi sipang karep karyang tien layo kan kijing training ti habang persiang banle kalong kay pamantoy. Habang nrang nadep sige nak training bang layo anak ti nglawan hakani kedukan ban seng ikam kijam ngilayo ru ikan ka carbon fund ba ni kum SSG mentang ngilas dang menteri kasem ban ngilabur usniang uban pakanomlong kum kata kajing pendut ki jing kini ki jabo ki bang yo ni ka dukan takabadai kum ila ban ya trailong ban ya kren patba kum bang ilong menta ti kalong kai sibur ki mentoy.
Empowerment takes on new meaning with the flow of funds from carbon buyers to the Khasi Federation, liberating them from dependence on government loans and instilling a fierce sense of ownership and pride in their continuing journey of forest conservation. Each villager in the 62 villages of this project is aware of the Carbon Fund. The small grants distributed to self-help groups, LWCs and farmers' clubs from carbon sales impact their lives in ways big and small. Uniting as a community and working towards shared aspiration is perhaps the most significant outcome of the project for the Khasi.
Menshua ngisngong ba ngidum te hadian ka jing trailang bat kan Senjok ngisngong ba kawan rai ka jing syai nama bang kalong rukum kanong yalam lenti lam ya darengkat lang
ikwa ban ribiang sialu tam kalong ka jing sungsi bakla duei kumban riu ciar tengkai
kadu no kacing ya bisni iwai haba ngi donlang kata kacing susu para member ladang idon kanu kacing bom susu jengmut ngi penbaik apo ka meeting te da kacing trailang kumta ngila kan men penhe ya kini lengkah dukat ni ngilayo la men pene ru ya ki umbam undi khilau ki pitap bat dai da kacing hikai jong kasenjuk bangi so la bang ngin pene ya kini ki umbam undi khilau ki pitap hakaba ngin yo la ru bangin kumno sedang mensutu ban seng ini farmer club dai da kacing lam lenti with jing ailat ka senjuk ka ba ka kentiu sha mata nak kapor ba menchua bat kapor ba mata
ka senjuk ngila yo ka phon lai ja sanspa te bat mentang ngila sngo ba kanang khamkyu sha prang hak rap chungki bat kla rap sibuan ru yang iban kampen bahaju syuk leng ba kacing rap chung I ngah kermen ru ba in kam la ban rap syuk kenyangi ka farmer club manusia
kentiu kami ke beduk besok hakane ka sedang jungi te ngila persang kat balak ban pemi pisa na bentah kane kepung do kha ban ai khwai do khai ke brio agador sispa tengka sisngi.
The Senjok and all the villages, we don't depend anymore about government grants and all that. We also have our own evaluation when we evaluate people, when we meet them in meetings or in a kind of a gathering where we do the monitorings. People, they said, now we have the confidence. Now we know that when we go ahead with this kind of action or this kind of activities through LWCs, SHGs and Farmers Club, they are confident in the Senjok. And everybody pointed out, Senjok. And they say that through the leadership of the people in the Senjok, we hope that we will be financially sound.
Lasulun utiusa, oh lasulun utiu kriur bertem.
In 2014, the Federation signed a contract with We Forest, a Belgium-based NGO with a target goal in the very first year to plant or protect over 400,000 trees for reforestation in 35 forest plots on 500 hectares. Seedlings and trees are tagged and monitored to measure their health and growth. The contract is renewable for 10 years. By then, a total of 5,000 hectares with over 4 million trees will be reforested. The David Scott Trail connecting Mawphlong to Cherrapunji is an ecotourism initiative run by enthusiastic Farmers Club, youth volunteers and village Dorbar members. The 16-kilometer trail, a heritage site, is recognized by the United Nations as an indigenous community conserved area. The Federation also educates villagers along the trail, urging them to preserve the forest. The trail winds up and down sharp slopes and crevices, across old stone bridges, and next to the Umiam River, legends and tales that are part of the ancient folklore are told to fascinated tourists.
There's a legend about this river Umiam and Umngot, the two rivers among the 9 rivers from Shillong Peak, where they have a race. And this race is who will be reaching faster to Bangladesh. And it has happened that Umiam River just go herself and just rush through the hills, going down to Bangladesh. But when it reached Bangladesh, it has seen that her sister have been reaching before her. So she feels so frustrated and disappointed. So she commits suicide herself. And the suicide is in a form of 5 distributaries that come out from this Umiam River.
One of the most uplifting and long-term community initiative is empowering the project's Khasi women as leaders and innovators, running 43 home-based nurseries, each comprising 600 saplings of local indigenous broadleaf species, funded by We Forest. The saplings will grow into healthy trees inside the forest, and the women leaders will further strengthen and empower indigenous institutions for the future.
Dah hadian pedeng ya penbet para member grup ngimla em ban lelang haju daman ngi don kapor mo kapagi kam te akim tena kata kadau ngi ai no tangha iwe member jong ka SDG tenda ngi ai iwe pede I thung ya kini kidieng kan ki ban rius pa don rius pa tam katrai jong kini kidieng te ya kini kidieng pede ngi perkhat ba kumta kan lada don kino ki bakwa bakin thung dieng lane ngi thung sapok ki klau ki per ki ai kumta kan ya kini kidieng itu dan kam kayarap kan namar ba da kini kidieng em sapok klau ka yarap ka ai kijing mentoy da kijing dan jong ki klau jong ki betap mo kayarap kan haka ka waru ka kham dan em la da kidieng ki siet ki dan te kayarap wat da kale eru mo la da ki klau ki betap ki he ki dan ki klau ki betap ha po snong ha ki than jong ni kale er ka ba khuj ru ngi yo mo kala yarap kan ha kan ni ka por na du bangi la dan kum ka SDG ru dai ngi la ya dan bentalang bat kan ni ka senjuk em te kala yarap kan ha ka jing kiu ka yo ka kot ha ka ne ka tai kala yarap ha ki ai mo ha ki wat damangi ha ka SDG ru ngi la yo ya kata ka jing yarap ha ka jing dan ha ka ayu jing mo ha po snong kijing ya jan para beriu ru ngila don ngimo ta kijing ya long ha snong ha thau ha ka lanjong ka bisa ha ka lanjong ka jing yo jing kot ru kata ka mut long ngila nang kham yo ngila nang kham kot mo da kijing ya sei bisa lang da kijing ya kan show kum ta mala ka pot bat ngim dan kam shu ban sim ram sim luan na wei mo ngila su biang ngila su dap hina po ka bangi yo na po ka jing kan show na jong na ka krup mo.
It helps land and redistribute, and also it brings a kind of more brotherhood kind of approach where we can just do things in a better way. There is one case between Hima Mawphlong and Nong Luai. It's about 56 years, but due to our approach and these people, they come out, they said no. Now we don't see whose land is, and we just take the middle one and put the pillar as a boundary for Hima Mawphlong, boundary of Hima Nong Luai. We have done it just last year. They have the sense of confidence, and now their mindset is a little bit broader. They see that the life is not just a life to earn money, but the life is also to help other people. Jealousy is out. And the things is that cooperation is in, and they also see, they know how to do the better conservation of forests. Now they feel the ownership of forests.
Even as community leaders started youth sports clubs and football leagues to engage children and keep them from dropping out of school, especially boys, the girls of Tirsad Sports Club, facilitated by small grants from the Red Carbon Fund, scored goal after goal. 5 players from this tiny village represent the state at the National Football League, showcasing their skills at a wider platform. The Khasi Hills Community Red Project is on its way to do the same, a model success story for others to replicate across the country.
Every time when we go out, people, they really see the uniqueness of this project. Everywhere, even the state government, they said, you should go ahead, we are behind you, and you should. And even from Konoma, from Nagaland, they said, can you come to Konoma? Even from Sikkim, even from Mizoram. But what we stress right now is to extend in the Khasi Hills itself, try to cover all the state of Meghalaya.
As India struggles to balance continued economic progress with protecting the environment and increasing social equity, the example of the Khasi serves as an important model. The future of India lies in helping to support entrepreneurial and grassroots initiatives like these, utilizing the collective creativity of all of its people. The Khasi continue to maintain their unique cultural heritage, a legacy they pass on to successive generations, focusing primarily on their past. This time round, perhaps it is time for the present triumphs and successes to take center stage. For Tambo Lingdo, the schoolboy who was never asked about his exam results by anyone in his family or village since he always stood first, this one too is a winner and is focused on the future well-being of the Khasi.
Ngidap lagi jing sultanat kaba haduk kata-kata kene kesigi na marang mangidon hang ne baro kene ke himaba marjan hakabai dei ba kene ka jing le ke benu ne ke janmet na marang ilayo ya ke jing job house na marja khatlai ngilayo ban yo ya ka carbon fund ban mentau ne usna marja khat saw ngilayo ban ya troy ya we pa ka kaman thung ding na ka we forest te habagi kemen te ngai ka jing ngin ai ka jing ke ngin ya ke ngan ngi ai ka jing ken hoi lai sin hoi
Kali Khasi